has requested to say a few words.
This doesn't seem right. I knew Laurel Lance for almost her entire life. She was my friend, and I loved her. Before she died, I was lucky enough to hear her tell me that she loves me too. Laurel Lance became a lawyer to help people who may have appeared helpless. She wanted to give a voice to the silent. But just being a lawyer wasn't enough. She wanted to do more for those people and for this city because she loved this city so much. By now, everyone knows that Laurel was killed in the Iron Heights prison riot. And while it's true that she was an assistant district attorney, that's not what she was doing there that night. Before she died, Laurel told me the truth. Laurel Lance was the Black Canary. And for the past few days, I have had to sit and listen to people try and paint the Black Canary as a criminal. She was not a criminal. She was a hero. She was a hero in every way that a person can be. And if Laurel were here, I know that she would expect all of us to live up to the example that she set. She'd want us to save our city. Thank you all for coming. With all that ails our city, I think it's fair to ask why we would spend time and money to honor anyone. Why we would commission a statue and have a ceremony to unveil it. Surely those resources could be put to better ends. But I, for one, think there is no better end than a reminder of what we are capable of when we stand together united. A reminder of those who have made the ultimate sacrifice, protecting our home. And a reminder that as long as we keep their spirit in our hearts, there will always be better days ahead. And as she reminds us, let us always remember her. Ladies and gentlemen, Laurel Lance, the Black Canary.